So far, ATR is 13. Very, very tame. Very, very tame. Very, very tame ATR.
Order submitted.
Looking for a fade on the gap up. Okay, guys? Nice. Cover one. VIX is at 32. Yeah, it's getting killed pretty hard, the VIX. I'm out. I don't want to get chopped up. 780 bucks. First trade, green. Nice. Anybody short of the pop? Great trade, guys. Great trade, guys. Living awesome, we got it. Juno, Zach, Ivan, Jim. Nice, guys. It doesn't have to work. It can keep pumping. Like if it pumps to 300, 280 or whatever, then I'll go and, rotate my accounts. I'll buy more puts there. It doesn't have to keep going down, guys. It can go on gap up. It doesn't have to fade. It can keep going higher, higher, and higher. Okay? But I rotate my accounts and I manage risk that way. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You know, it doesn't have to work. Nothing has to work, but I will put on risk. You hear me say all the time, if it doesn't work, no problem. Okay? I will put on risk. I'm gonna cover one here. Too hard of a pop. Cover one. Cover one already because I don't want to get my trailing hit there. Come on, man. Take me out. Take me on my limit order. Nice. 2 contracts, 925, 2 accounts, green. Nice. Sell. Sell on the pop.
Order filled.
They held that and do a little hammer action. Got back in. Doesn't have to rip from here, but I took some gains here. Nice. So first try, they washed me out. I took loss for $1,000. Now I made it all back. Okay. Now start break even. Cannot lose in this trade. Cannot lose in this trade. Made $1,300 so far. Took $1,000 loss, but on a re-entry, you made it all back. So sometimes you're gonna take loss and then get back. So I may just take it here. Locked it. 1,500 on 2 contracts. It's gotta stay above this 20 area for the inversion long to work. It cracks this again, it's not gonna be inversion long. Come on, man, push it. Doing a dirty inversion long. I'm gonna take one here. Holding one last. If they don't hold here, instant reject. We're gonna go for the gap fill down here. All right. I took one off. Nice. 2 contracts, $1,000. So right now, people are trying to digest the news, whether the exemptions on the semiconductors and other components, whether it's really true or not. I think the market's trying to digest that news, right? But if it's just fake news, then they probably sell us back lower. But if we get more news saying that, okay, those things are going to get exempt, we probably pump from here. So, man, this is kind of nasty action here, guys. 5 minute looks like a bear flag, but they won't drop it. When they're supposed to drop and they don't drop, you know what that means. You know what that means. I may have to can this short here. When they're supposed to drop and they don't drop, you know what that means. All right. 5 minute bear flagging, 1 minute also, but they're not letting it break. This should have broken the low of day by now. I'm out. 1,100. Guys, be careful. If you're short here, they may rip it here. Okay, they may rip it here. Above this 20 area, I think they're gonna rip it now. Be careful with your short. Okay, be careful with your short. Be careful with your short.
Order filled. Order submitted.
They gotta hold above this line for me to like it. Like, I don't even want them to touch this line.
Order
Sold one top.
Order canceled.
I'm out. $600 scalp. If they don't drop from this little bubble area, they will probably go for the high day, guys. So be careful. They probably go for the high day. I'm gonna hold my short here with this bubble here, but if they don't, they pump through, they're probably gonna go for the high day, 260, 280. So they're holding it. They're holding it. I need to see a rejection here, or else I need to can this short. If I don't see a rejection soon, I'm gonna can this short. They're still propping it up. They're still propping it up. Right here, 0.20. This is 140 points straight up. Straight up. I need to see some kind of meaningful pullback. There we go. Cover one. Cover one.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Oh, this account's passed. Nice. Passed. $600 right into the bubble. Very nice, very nice. My course has always been, you can get it for free either by buying Take Profit Trader 10 Profit Trader accounts, right? You go to fspfutures.com. You know, on the next page, you can either buy like 10 Take Profit accounts and you can get my course free, right? But this will cost you about maybe $1,300. Now, you can also get my course free by buying 5 Tradeify instant funded accounts.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Guys, they do not have to bounce here, okay? They don't bounce here. We're going to this line down here. Nice pop. I will take it on the pops, guys. I'll take it on the pops. I'll lock some here, guys, okay? If they don't bounce here, we're going to this line down here. Take the pops if you can. Take the pops if you can, all right? They don't have to keep bouncing here. Lock your profits. If they don't hold here, we're going to that line down there. They don't hold here, we're going to this line 880.
Order canceled.
You took the pop? Nice. I'm going to take one here.
Order submitted.
Take one off.
Order filled.
Nice. Great job, guys. I'm out. This account was down 1,000. It's a funded Bonox. Right into a bubble, guys. Right into a bubble, guys. What a trade, guys. I'm looking for like a pump to this possible 20s, 920s area. And then another drop. So I don't think the drop's over yet, but I would like to see a pump to this area here before a real drop. Because if it drops now, I won't like it as much. But let's say another one more pump up here. I take the profit off, possibly short into it, and then a rejection for a gap fill down here. I would like that better. So put the warrior music. They may chop around here a little bit. If I put the warrior music, it may take a while to do. So like with today's action, they probably gonna chop around a little bit. So I mean, I can put it on, but I think they're gonna take a while to get there. So if it stops me out here, I'm already green on the trade. I cannot lose on this trade because I already took 4 contracts off. I'm going to lock the profits on this one, lock 1,800. And I'm going to use my second account here. I'm about to can my long, actually. I'm about to can it. It's not looking too hot here. Unless you can do a manipulation. Boom, get up here. They don't hold here. They're going to crack this low day here and go lower, so. I'm about to can the long. I'm about to can it.
Order filled.
I'm just going to sell these pops because I'm not confident it's going to go higher now. I'm selling the pops. Alright, I'm out. 300 bucks. If it's halted for you on TradeAway, then you're just going to have to wait. I mean, I'm trading TradeAway right now with this Take Profit Trader, like right here. This trade I'm in right now here. This is TradeAway right here. So I don't know why it's halted for you. But if it's halted, there's nothing you can do other than wait for it to reload. So
order submitted.
I'm gonna trail it here. If it pops, I'm gonna trail my stop here.
Order filled.
Trailed out 2,000. Nice. Sounds good, Phil. See you later, man.
Order filled.
Nice. Oh, this counts past.
Order
Nice.
Order canceled.
Another pro find it. Another pro find it. I like that. Another pro find it. 159. Nice. This is a growth funded account on TradeAway. So once I hit 1,200, I'm gonna have to close it, or else I'm gonna hit the consistency roll.
Order filled.
Nice. 1,200 on the dot. Very nice. This account, TradeAway funded at 3,600. I can request a payout. Very nice. Very nice. Anybody took this short here? Raymond, you took it. Mayma, you took it. Nice. Great job, guys. Great job, guys. Great job. All right, so another TradeAway account here. You see how difficult this 900 area is today, guys? Remember I told you before this hard rejection? I was like, okay, 900, 920. They just literally, like, even after with the data pop, they couldn't get above 900. They couldn't get above it. It's like a really, really hard spot for them. Really, really hard spot for them. I'm in Ontario, Canada.
Order canceled.
Come on, one more drop and it passes again. I pass this account. Come on, let's go. One more in the pass. Drop that and I'll pass this account, man. Drop it. Drop it. And I'll pass this. One more for funded. Come on, man. Drop it.
Order filled.
Nice.
Order canceled.
Nice. 8 pass pro-funded, man. Are you kidding me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go, man. I got 5 pro-funded right now and 9 passed. I like that. I like that. Let's look at the P&Ls. Passed my first 150k account today, 3 funded accounts in the green, and 1 more 50k on the way. Great job, Fabio. Thank you for sharing your knowledge with us. This will be my first payout with Take Profit after so many failed attempts. Wow. Wow. Dragon just flipped the last 5 out of 5 day on Take Profit of 4 accounts back in business. Cool. Starting a week strong. I like that. Lots of green, Mr. Pepper. Great job. Mattia traded some London and the Open and passed 2 evals. Nice. Done for the day logging off. Good job. Bit of a battle, but walking away with green. Thanks, FSP. Great job, Michael Sislo. One of our mods. Great job. All green, thanks, FSP. Great job, the Bill. Man, you guys are killing it. You guys are killing it. Nice, DJ. Nathan, 600 bucks, Take Profit. I like that. Started trading in June of 2024. Carter struggled a bit. Watching FSP helped a lot. Took my first payout ever in February on Take Profit Trader. Closing this week with 2,700, putting my total at a little over 6,900. Seeing everyone bank is big motivation. Now, if you want more details in terms of how I set up my accounts rotating my accounts inside my course, I show how I set up all my panels, ATM strategy that I use. That will be inside my course, inside module 3.1. Okay, and I show you how I use the ATM strategies, which I use less of today, but still. And then I show you how I set up all the panels down there. Guys, if you enjoy the community, if you like trading together, please go ahead and like the stream.